Okay, so welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, if you haven't hit the subscribe button down there, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today what you're going to be learning is a topic in mathematics. So if you know you are a grade a topic in mathematics called Circle. Okay, we're going to be looking at Circle, and then under Circle we'll be learning on what is called the circumference. Circumference. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking at under the Circle. So if you're a grade 4, a grade 5, a grade 6, a grade 6, and grade 7, this is very important for you, very important. So if this is your first time and then you want to do online tuitions, you can WhatsApp us on you can send us a WhatsApp on 0979 22 20 76. You can send us a WhatsApp message on that number, and then your child can actually start doing the online tuitions. We can teach them. Okay, we can assist them. Now let's go to the topic, guys. So we're going to be looking at this. So they can say in the exam, they can say, for example, question 1, which is example 1, they can say the circle has okay, so be looking at that. The circle, let me write it. The circle has 4 centimeter radius. Maybe before I do this, let me first make you understand something about the circle. For example, if this is I'm teaching you on the circle first, so that I make you understand something about the circle. So if this is a circle, okay, if that is a circle, the line from the center to here, or from the center to any point, either it's from the center to there, from the center to here, from the center to there, from the center to there, that line anywhere from there to there, from there to there, there to there, anywhere from the center to any point on the circumference, any point, that distance is what is called the radius. So these small ones that look as if it's a clock, this is what is called the radius. So all these are radiuses. This is what is called the radius. Okay, is what is called the radius. So if this is a circle, the radius is from here to any point here, so it is called the radius. Okay, written by the letter R. It's called, R stands for the radius. Okay, so from the center to any point on the circumference, whether it's here, whether it's here, whether it's here, whether it's here, any point on the circumference is called the radius. There's also what is called the diameter. So if, for example, this is the circle, the diameter is from the center to here is a radius. Okay, when you have got 2 radiuses, again I draw another radius this side, where there's a radius here which is extended, and then there's another radius here. 2 radiuses when added, they form what is called the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 radiuses. Okay, so the distance from there to there is what is called the diameter. The distance from here to there, from here to there, all the way from here to there, is called the diameter. So this whole distance, what is it called? It is called diameter. Okay, when two radiuses they form a diameter. If this is a circle, and then I draw a line from there to there, it's a radius. Again, I extend it from here to here, it's a radius. So there's that radius and this radius. So when you add this radius and this radius, these two radiuses form what is known as, so from there all the way up to there down, this distance is what is referred to as the diameter. Okay, the diameter. Okay, let's go now to the main calculation. Now in the exam, they can give you example 1. They can say a circle has radius 4 centimeter. Or let's say we'll start with the diameter. A radius has got a circle has the diameter, not radius, sorry. It has got diameter of 4 centimeter. Find the circumference. Okay, circumference. Find the circumference. So the first thing you look at here is first the question has something to do with the diameter. So when you're writing the formula for the circumference, this one, write the formula that has got a diameter. And the formula for circumference is written like this. The one that has got diameter, it is circumference is equal to pi d. Okay? Now in the question, sometimes here they may say take pi to be 22/7. Okay? They can say take pi to be, in the question they can say take pi, the question says take pi, this is symbol for pi, take pi to be equal to 22/7. So they want you to find the circumference. Okay, this circumference when the pi is 22/7. So what do you do? So circumference is equal to, this is a solution. Circumference is equal to pi d. So the pi there is 22/7 times the diameter. You remember from the question, the diameter is actually 4 centimeters. So on diameter you put what? 4. You put 4 on diameter. So on diameter there you put 4, and then 22 times 4, that will be 88/7 centimeters. So that is the circumference. So question 2. Question 2 can be calculate the diameter of the circumference, sorry, not diameter, calculate the circumference of the circle, with diameter 2. With diameter 3.2 centimeters. So same thing. We say circumference is equal to pi d. Oh, here they have given you take pi And then here the question is saying take pi to be 3.142, not 22/7, 3.142. So you come here on this pi is equal to, on this pi you put 3.142 times the diameter. The diameter we said is what? According to the question, the diameter is 3.2. Okay? So the diameter there is 3.2. So times 3.2. And then you multiply those two. Roughly here you do a rough calculation. So you say 3.142, you multiply it by 32. Roughly this side where there is a sub calculation. So 2 times 2, it is what? 4. 2 times 4, it is 8. 2 times 1, it is 2. 2 times 3, it is 6. And then you put placeholder 0. 3 times 2, it is 6. 3 times 4, 12. 2, carry 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 times 3, it is 9. So this is, when you add, so that will be 4, 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 10, 0, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So when you multiply that, the answer I'm going to get is 0, 0, 0, and then 5, 4, 4. So you look at the placeholders. Here how many decimal point? 1. Here how many decimal point? 3. So total number of decimal points, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. You look at the last numbers. So here it is 3 decimal points. Here it is 1 decimal point. The number after the decimal point, so it is 4. So the decimal point will move 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will move there, which will be here. Okay, so the answer is 10 point. The decimal point will come here, 10.0544. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. Okay, so sometimes a question can come where they give you, let's say, this is question 3. They can say if the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters, calculate the circumference. Take pi to be equal to 22/7. Have you seen? This time they have not given you the diameter, they have given you the radius. So when you're using the formula, you use the formula that has got radius. So the formula for radius is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. You don't use that one for circumference is equal to pi d. You don't use this one. Okay? Because we don't have the diameter now. We have got the radius. Okay? So you don't use that formula. So the one you use is the one I've written. So times 2 times pi, it is 22/7 times the radius there, it's what? The radius there which we got is 4. Okay? So 2 times 22 times is going to be any number on its own is over 1. Any number on its own is over 1. So 2 times 2, we're going to get what? 2 times 2 is actually 44. 2 times 22 is 44. 44 times 4 is going to be 176. Okay? 176 over 7 centimeters this side. That's how you calculate. So that is our answer. Okay, so it applies just like that. Whenever they ask you to calculate the circumference, but you have been given the radius instead of the diameter, this is the formula you use, 2 pi r, and then on the radius that's what you put. So this formula has got a 2 in front. Okay, that's the one that you use. Okay, sometimes they can switch the question in a different way. So let me just say exercise. Okay, exercise. So this is the exercise, huh? This is the exercise. So question 1, if the circle has 10 centimeter diameter, calculate the circumference. Calculate the what? The circumference. Take pi to be equal to 22 over 7. That's question 1. Question 2, they have drawn for you a circle like this, which has got a diameter of 8. And then it says calculate the circumference. That is question 2. Question 3, this is question 3. Then this one has got a radius of 1.2. See, this is the radius now. It has not diameter like the other one. Also here it's calculate the circumference. Okay, here is the take pi to be 3.142 on question 2. Okay, question 3 here we take pi, this is question 3, we take pi to be 3.142 also here, 3.142. Then lastly, the last question is the radius of a circle is 3.1 centimeter. Calculate the circumference if pi is equal to 22 over 7. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the one that is down. And then those ones want to do online tuitions, please WhatsApp us on 0979 22 20 76, and our team will get a hold of you. Thank you.